My name is Attorney Roy Galloway. I'm the owner of the law office of Roy Galloway, LLC. A lot of times I receive a call from individuals and they want to know whether or not I should pursue a no-fault divorce or a fault-based ground. Typically, I will give an answer that you should pursue a no-fault divorce versus a fault-based. There are several reasons for that. One, it's more cost-effective, less stressful, and pursuing a fault-based divorce, you're fighting over who's at fault, and it actually has no effect on any other claims that might be a part of a divorce, like division of property, alimony pendente lite, counsel fees, or expenses. It actually has no effect on that. So if someone's at fault, it doesn't affect the economic claims. All it does is prolong the proceedings, cost more money. So typically I will advise clients that they should pursue the no-fault provisions. And there are two no-fault provisions. There's a divorce that you can receive by mutual consent of both parties. That's under Section 3301C. And how that works is one party files a divorce complaint and serves the other party. After 90 days from the time of service, both parties can sign documents to finalize the divorce. Now, in order to get a divorce under mutual consent, both parties must agree. If both parties do not agree, then we can rely on Section 3301D, where it permits you to get a divorce if there's an irretrievable breakdown in the marriage. And what that means is after 2 years of separation, you no longer need both parties to consent to a divorce. A divorce can be granted with only one party. So what we typically do is we file under both no-fault provisions, the mutual consent and 2 years of separation. In the event that, hey, when we file it, one party doesn't agree, and we can just proceed and move forward with a 3301D divorce after 2 years from separation has occurred. So it can be an issue because it's 2 years from the time of separation, not 2 years from the time you serve the complaint. Under the mutual consent, it's 90 days from the time that you actually filed. That's not the case when it comes to the 2 years of separation. So it's 2 years. If you were separated for a year and a half at the time you filed, then you would only wait an additional 6 months. So it's 2 years from the time of separation. Sometimes that can be a point of contention between parties. One party may believe that the marriage dissolved at an earlier time than another party. If you're going through a divorce at this time, we understand that divorce can be a very stressful time in your life, and you may need an aggressive and experienced attorney on your side to relieve some of the stress. If we can be of any assistance to you, please do not hesitate to call the law offices of Roy Galloway at area code 717-737-3300. Thank you.